My name is Elena and I am a mindful yoga and meditation teacher. I'm hosting a retreat here at Alfheim farm deep in the woods on the 19th to 21st of August. The intention for and the name of the retreat is I Am Nature. Nature to me is a place where I find inspiration, healing and peace. Together we will explore how the qualities of nature is also qualities within you. Through movement and meditation in and around Alfheim, I invite you to find silence within and let yourself be held by nature. In the abundant gardens of Alfheim, Sarah and Kieran are growing a multitude of organic vegetables that will nourish our bodies throughout the weekend. For more information, check out our event on Facebook, linked below. Hope to see you there.